Here we are, Mediaworld, once again. G9000 series range. So get a look at. Oh, slim, the slim model. Oh, okay, I'm gonna. Damn, this costs too much. Similar to W2. Interesting. Same price. Oh dear. We're gonna get a look at this later. Wait, we're gonna check the W1 is, since this machine is better than me W2. This one as well. Samsung dryer DV. Samsung guy without afterwards. 9 kg, 1400 spin. Let me see if this one has the recirculation spray, but I'm not sure. No quick dry as well. Oh, there's missing programs. Here we go. Let me see. Oops. Too much. So close. I should have done meeting. Okay, this one is still here. 2 exact Samsung. The wash dryer. So close. This looks nice. No, guardavo, scusa, guardavo. Sono un po' appassionato di lavatrici. Oops. Samsung, the price is 800. And there's another wash dryer. I want to see Palmet more. LG, the IDD. Washer dry 9 kg of washing and 5 kg dry. Candy, washer dryer. Hoover washer dryer. Samsung DV90. These are dry, but I don't really care about them. Yeah, all dry, every dryer here. I honestly don't give a Candy. These models, I saw them in the past. 499 and 500. More dryers, but I think we saw these in the past. Where did the Samsung set go? Like, we saw this. Moving on. These two we saw them. I'm gonna move on here. washing. Oh, this one is nice. And it's plugged in. Oh, 400 only. Shop. Oh, let's see. Oh, 5 kilogram. Laundry by Mars also have this one. Moving on. Candy Rapido with a new logo. Old one. Echo, the basic model. We're gonna look at this. Another basic model of Echo. Obviously has to do with that, but Hisense. A bit cheap, but it's okay. Candy Rapido. No, sorry, it's not a Rapido. AG Slim. This is Slim, but 1151 RPM. I'm not. Those are all Slim models. Damn, there's a lot of Slim models. 6 kilogram, 1000 spin. And this is a built inverter. This is shit. Another one. This one should have the Mediaworld. I'm gonna check this and turn the wash on the dryer, but I don't really care about it today. Electric Sensica. Head seal, which is boring. Echo, basic model. Yeah, the top is here. Old one. This is shit. I don't like it. Usually, every type of vestors are crap. Oh, there's still yet it. We're gonna show it later. The Samsung LG. The price is good. We saw this. The energy is finished with here. Old one style. Higher inverter. Price is good. Oh, it has the English language. Look, yep. Third drum is quite good. So it should have the same motor as the basic model. Oh, it's quite cheap. I don't kinda like this style of this boss. 700 euro for this, not bad. 500 euro for this, no spray, mix load. I don't kinda like this LG, to be honest, but the glass design looks similar to Samsung. Moving on. Wait, we're gonna check this. Two Hisense with different prices. And this 9 kg with recirculation speed spray. Even though sadly is not used on every kind of cycle. And yeah, it's not. Electrolux, damn, these drum patterns are good. Samsung 9 kg outdoors. Yeah, it's good. Oh, there's also the nah, not that. Oh, this one is still here. I do love it. Mm. 39 users. This is the cycle. Nice. Going here later. So no, we did not solve this. In the shit. I do love this energy spin. Old drum. Electrolux outdoors, €750. €600 for this. Quite okay. 9 kilogram outdoors. Speed spray, not the recirculation one. I'm 100% sure. This is good. Two Samsungs. Oh, this one is still here. No one actually buys this. I literally want it, but I can't. And this is the other outdoors, the same one I showed before too, with the standard Space Max drum. Nah, Electrolux is good. These are crap. I don't like them. 2LG, the 13 kilogram, €700, and 11 kilogram that costs 569. Wash to dry. Oh, this head seal is quite. Damn, this looks like Samsung. The Hisense that looks like Samsung AI. Damn, it's plugged in. Let me see the wash tower. I want to see that Hisense. Oh, this is the demo. Wow, this dryer is so. Let me see the cycles on this. We have the 4000. Oh, it has got a drum light. Nice, quite nice to see that it has got a drum light. Now watch the drum light turning off. So, it's still going on. Shoe wash. Nah, this doesn't have the jet. Cup washer and dryer. No jet and the manual dosing. Dryer. Nice. Wash. €700. Nah. 800 this one. But yeah, it has extra rinse. Dryer. 9 kg, €650. Okay. Without this, this. No, grazie, guardavo solo, tranquillo. Che mi piace la lavatrice, ora volevo vedere gli ultimi modelli che sono usciti. Ok. Buona giornata. This one is still here. How no one actually gets it? Without this, miele without them. Yeah, without this, because they're basically two same models. Sorry, I got caught by someone. So this model is quite good. So to be fairly honest, Samsung outdoors. So quick look at this before that. But yeah, that's it. Because I got caught by someone that works here apparently, but he's now gone. Oh my god! Like photography is not that fine, to be honest. So. To be fairly honest, it's not that fucking fine. So never mind. And yep, those models looks good. And he's gone. So okay. And